Of course, ngayon, syempre, no, sa nangyayari sa war, ang nangyayari is, 'di ba? Ang daming parang uncertainty, tumaas ng bilihin. So kung hindi ka pa gagawa ng paraan paano mo ma-augment yung income na 'yon,
Yes.
baka maiwan ka ng panahon, mas mahihirapan. And that's the reason why we really made this webinar because we believe that shadow technique can really jumpstart your experience sa forex if hindi ka pa nakaka-try ng trading in general. Because it's very newbie friendly and it can really give you a potential talaga of additional earning if you do it right. So if hindi ka pa nasa shadow, we want to see type 100 on the chat box if you never tried shadow before kasi yan yung goal namin. We want you to try it and test its power. Yan.
Right. Yes,
So
sir.
while we're waiting for that, Coach Lloyd, yan, anong inputs nyo sa long-term stocks yan dito? Sige, later.
Sige.
Sa Q&A, banata natin yan, Murel. Pero long-term is long-term. Bili lang ng bili, brother.
Oo.
Yan. Ano ba tinitrade namin? Forex kami. Pero sometimes we trade din naman mga Nasdaq. Ayan.
Sila gold.
From BKK, saan to? Bangkok? Bro,
BKK.
malahina daw yung audio mo. Pansin ko din, di ba kanina pa?
Mahina
Probably
yung
you can...
audio ko. Alright.
try mo daw sumigaw.
I'll increase there. There.
Yan. Kaya sabi ko parang sabi ko, di ba, try mo audio. Narinig kita pero mahina kanina.
Alright. How about now?
Ayan,
Okay na.
oh.
Ayan. Okay na.
Ayan, very, very okay.
Alright,
Super
that's
okay.
good to know. Alright.
Thank you
so
sa
much
inyong
for
dalawa.
letting me know.
Salamat. Thank you din. Thank you din. Kami dapat nagte-thank you because without your support,
Right.
we are not here. We are not
Yes.
here. Uy, Coach Lloyd, nagulat ako. Marami pang hindi nakakatry ng shadow. Si Robin, hindi pa. Okay?
Oo nga eh.
Si
oo nga
Roger, hindi pa. Oh. Si Cecilia, hindi pa. Si Chris,
Eh, that-
hindi pa.
Yeah.
Diba?
It's
Si
okay
Alan,
kasi
sabi-
expected naman kasi si trading naman, maraming interested kay trading. Kasi iniisip natin, mabilis yung pera and everyone wants to earn money, 'di ba? It's just that once they get in, medyo complicated pala tignan, natatakot ka agad pag nakita yung mga chart, pag nakita yung mga technical analysis, paano basahin yung mga chart, natatakot agad, 'di ba? So yun yung isa sa mga pag-uusapan natin. Ngayon, because we wanna let you know na yung mga iniisip nyo na mahirap sa trading, we were able to create a system to make it easier for you guys para yung mga kinatatakutan mo para magsimula, inalis na natin. And we'll explain to you more how we're able to do that with this trading strategy that we're teaching. Diba?
True.
Oo.
Ayan eh. So, yun. This webinar is really for you kung sinagot mong 100 and you really haven't tried using shadow technique. So, please, no, ang request na lang talaga namin is you share this live so
Yes.
that baka meron pang katulad mo na yun nga yung sinasabi namin, no, you didn't actually see the potential of this strategy. And imagine, nag-$60 yung dollar, no? Kung nag-deposit ka ng 55, 57, dun pa lang kita ka na eh.
Yes, tama. Oo.
Oo. So, para po talaga sa inyo to. So, salamat. No? Ang another request din namin is, of course, tapusin nyo yung live. Baka mamaya yung sasabihin ni Coach Lloyd, yun pala yung magpapayaman sa'yo after this webinar. Grabe talaga. Ayan, let's go.
Alright.
Alright, let's go, Coach Lloyd. So, of course, again, our major goal is to help you see the power of shadow technique, no? And of course, pag-usapan natin, ano nga ba tong si shadow technique? Ayan, ano nga ba ang sorry Coach Lloyd kung nandiyan pa yung presented by, o tsaka
Okay.
date. Ayan, okay. Ano nga ba si shadow technique, Coach Lloyd? Baka, initial idea before the presentation.
Sige.
Ano yung for you si shadow technique? Ayan, for your
Ayan.
own words.
Sige. From the word shadow lang alone, meaning para siyang sinusundan mo lang, i-shadow mo lang. 'Di ba? We have this term na you just shadow that guy. And then so that you will learn, 'di ba? It's a learning strategy kasi na mas mabilis. It's a hack on how to be better at something complicated. Let's say for example, hindi ka marunong magluto. Ang gagawin mo is titignan mo yung isang tao na magaling magluto, tapos susundin mo yung mga ginagawa niya. What we call that strategy is you're shadowing that person. This is the shadow style in trading. So, technically, susundan mo lang yung marunong mag-trade. In our case, yung system namin ang susundan mo. So, as simple as that. The best way to learn is just to shadow. This is very complicated. Tignan mo yung trade ni Coach John or tignan mo yung trade ni Coach Lloyd. Tignan mo yung trade ng shadow technique. And then, if ever may makita kang maganda na, all you need to do is manually copy that on your end. So you will learn that way by shadowing. That's why it's called shadow technique.
Yan. So, even nga ngayon, to be honest, pareho nga lang kami ng trade ni Coach Lloyd. Nasa odd-card kami, naka-short. Nagtatanong kami, may odd-card ka ba? Meron. Ako din meron. Pareho kami. So, ibig sabihin, hindi mo kailangan mag-iba para kumita. Kahit pare-pareho tayo ng tinitrade. Di ba? We're following the same system. Pag kumikita, okay lang. Yun lang yung pinagkaya ba noon. Ayan, of course, no. Sabi nga ni Coach Lloyd, that's how easy shadow technique is. Shadowin mo lang. No? Sabi ko nga, pare-pareho nga lang halos tayo. Iba-iba lang ng approach. And that's the goal of shadow technique is to make trading easy, especially for you, newbies, especially for Filipinos na wala pang exposure sa forex market and hindi nila alam where to really start. And usually, newbies, Coach Lloyd, no, 90% of newbies who lost, 90% of newbies who wanted to start, 90% of newbies hindi alam saan magsisimula. And usually these newbies, especially nung nagbago ako, no, ano bang strategy gagamitin ko? 'Di ba? Ano bang edge na 'yon? May potential ba 'yon? Kasi kung walang potential 'yun, kaya kasi ang tinawag na edge, you are not winning against the system. And from there, aaralin mo pa, naku, pag nag-draw down o naka-cut loss ako, sakit pala, nakakatakot.
Right.
Kung wala pa yon, mas lalo kang kakabahan. Tapos, aaralin mo pa pati risk management. That's how sometimes a newbies don't know where to start because nagkakaroon ng complications sa tatlong bagay na to. Diba? Kaya natatalo. Ikaw, Coach Lloyd, nung newbie ka ba, diba? Parang sa lahat ng pinagdaanan mo, parang di mo alam where to really start. And that's really one of the main reason kung ba't natatalo sila, hindi nila kakapagsimula because they don't really know where to start and to look for that edge. Coach
Actually,
Lloyd, go ahead.
yes, tama. Not just how to start, especially sa mga naglakas ng loob magsimula. This is the biggest reason why so many traders who start quit. Ilang percent ba ng mga newbie traders, Coach Jan, ang nagquit?
90%, di ba?
Yes,
On their
90%.
first year.
Yeah, statistics says 90% sa mga nagsisimula nagquit. Bakit? It's because the trading strategy that the learnings that they have sobrang complicated na, mali yung simula nila since they don't know where to start. They don't have that edge that we're talking about. Walang proper guidance and everything. The frustration, the emotions and everything, it's all mixed up and it becomes overwhelming for a newbie, and that's the reason why they stop. So here, we're trying to eliminate that, and hopefully makita nyo po by the end of this video that it is a good strategy at you will be more confident to start this time.
Yan. O, teka lang, Coach Lloyd, baka malito yung may mga nanonood na may shadow na.
Uy,
Nagsabi tayo ng odd card. Wala siyang odd card sa shadow. Okay, wala,
Okay.
tama. Walang odd card sa shadow kasi yung original na shadow, pangalan nun Izanagi. May
Yes.
level 5 siya. Okay. Kaya shinadaw namin si Izanagi. Okay, clarify lang.
But don't worry, idadagdag na natin si Oddcad kay Shadow. Yun yung sinasabi ko dati, bro, hindi magkasabay yung si Shadow tsaka si Oddcad. Oo.
Yeah.
So, isasabay na natin yan para at least masabay na yan. May signal pa rin kay Oddcad for you guys. That will happen most probably this week.
Yeah. We will update that also soon. All right. So again, ulit-ulit nga natin. So bakit may edge, may risk management at can help you fix your strategy using the shadow technique, no? So basically, this is just how simple it is. Dagdagan mo na lang, Coach Lloyd.
Yes,
Ipapakita namin sa'yo yung account na ginagamit namin. Tapos, yung trade doon, gagayahin mo lang siya. Kahit wala kang alam sa charts. Kahit wala kang alam sa forex. Kahit wala kang alam sa trading in general. That's how simple it is. Bibigyan kita ng account, bubuksan mo, gagayahin mo lang. Para ganito siya, nag-exam ka, di ba?
Yeah.
Hindi mo alam yung sagot. Anong sinulat ni Coach Lloyd, yun dal lang din isulat mo. Pareho tayong papasa sa buhay. Para tayo papasa sa exam.
Kung parehas,
That's
kung
how
mali yung sagot ko, mali ka rin.
mali din yung sagot mo. Ganon, di ba? Oh.
Yeah.
So, syempre, pinag-aralan muna yung... Nag-aral ako ikaw kasi hindi. Okay. Kasi confident
Tama.
ako na yung papakopya ko sa'yo, kumbaga may chance na i-correct, di ba? And that's how
Yes.
Shadow is. Ipapahiram namin sa
Basically,
inyo yung
ganun lang.
account. Basically, di ba? So, tapos na tayo, di ba? Anyway.
Kung magaling kang mangopya noong college or noong high school, yayaman ka sa strategy natin na ituturo, right? Technically, ganun
Yes.
po yan. Just look for a good trader and then, hanap ka ng paraan na makita mo yung trade niya. And kami
Aha.
mismo, pinapakita na namin sa'yo. So, makikita mo yung
Right,
trades namin. All you need to do is copy what we are trading on your end. Kasi pag nag-trade ka, can I explain a little bit, Coach Jan?
Sige,
Ah,
go ahead.
Kapag nag-trade ka kasi, dalawa kasing aspects ang dapat mong matutunan. The first aspect is what do you call this? Execution aspect. So, ito yung pag-execute ng trade. Paggawa ng account, pag-fund ng account, pagpindot, ano yung pipindutin, dapat ko pa matutunan when I press, ang dami pang setting yan, buy ba, sell limit orders. So, those are, and then meron pa dyan mga lot size, and ang dami nyo pong kailangan matutunan on the execution part. So, that's one part, yung execution part. The second part is, this is basically we call this technical and fundamental analysis, knowing what to buy and when to buy. So that's the second aspect. Ito na yung charting, yung nakaabang ka na sa chart. Uy, eto si Bitcoin, ang ganda na, ang baba na, pwede ko nang bilhin. So that's the second
Yes.
aspect. Both of them are hard.
Complicated.
Both of them are complicated. Mas madali kasi yung execution part kasi paulit-ulit lang naman yan. Complicated but it is repetitive. So matututunan mo rin itong unang part nito. And then with this strategy, we eliminate the second part na maghanap ng buy or sell, anong bibilhin. Eliminate muna namin yan para sa'yo. So kami na muna bahala niyan. Tuturuan ka namin, kopyahin mo lang anong bibilhin. You can now focus on the first part. Kasi pag pinagsabay mong dalawang ito, sasabog ang ilong mo. And that's the reason why so many quit or so many are afraid. We eliminate the second factor. Ang unang factor lang muna i-focus mo, which is the execution part. Kasi kami na bahala dito. So that's basically Shadow Technique. More about it later. But this is so many years of teaching. This is the best way for you to learn. Una, aralin mo muna yung execution part. Kami na bahala sa anong bibilhin at anong ibebenta mo. So that's basically Shadow Technique. Now,
Yeah,
that's the reason why it's
true.
good.
Correct. So basically, that's how easy it is. Hindi mo na kailangang isipin yung muna yung complicated. Ang gusto lang namin, aralin mo paano pumindot.
Right.
Tapos kami nang bahala to give you that signal that has the edge and potential for potential earnings when it
Right.
comes to trading or when it comes to profit ng pinag-uusapan man. So, another question usually I ask, no, how long have been you using this? And how much do you earn already, Coach Dan? Napapagamit mo to sa amin, di ba? Baka nilagay mo lang dyan, $100, $50. Tapos papagamit nyo sa amin. May mga ganong talagang, in a way, mga tanong na direct. Sabi ko, it's okay to ask those questions. Kasi totoo naman, why would I let other people use it if it's not happened to me or if something did not change to me, to Coach Lloyd and a lot of people. Coach Lloyd, pwede mo ba i-prepare yung my FX book mo as well?
Yeah, sure. Pwede.
Or you can send it
I'll
to
show
me.
later.
Tingnan ko
I'll
na
show
lang.
it later.
Yeah. So basically, we've been using Shadow Technique for over 2022. Over 2022 na ba to? No, naka 3 versions na siya. In-update. And it trades with the biggest account that personally I'm trading it is around 10 million pesos in a single account. And cumulative account around 35 to 40 million pesos yung tinitrade na yan. And monthly, if sobrang relax, isang pindot, dalawang pindot lang ako. Last month, personally, I earn $2,000. Sabi, sino mo ibigay sa'yo ng 100 plus thousand pesos with papindot-pindot ka lang?
Yeah.
Right? Who will teach you that? And we've been using it again, no? We've been using it for over 2022 pa, so 2022, over 2026. So potentially, marami na pong gumagamit dito. To be honest, the reason why ito yung inuna naming webinar, it's because 70% of the newbies in the community is using shadow technique. And type 100 kung newbie ka, o type 100 if newbie ka on the chat box, because we provided a survey last year, Coach Lloyd, no? Provide tayong survey with over 260 na sumagot. And those na mga newbie na sumagot, sinabi nila 83% of them sa 253 na sumagot na survey, profitable and very profitable using this strategy. 83%. So sa 100, may 83 na buong taon kumikita using this strategy. So how much more ikaw pa? Eh sinabi na nga yun. Kami na nga ginagawa na namin ito. Coach Lod, ikaw, can you send it to me or ikaw miss or
Yeah,
ikaw mag-share?
i-share ko na lang dito sa screen ko. I'll share it to you too, my FX book.
Yan.
Yan. So the story is, let me share it to our kwan muna. To our
Messenger, bigay mo sa akin. Bigay mo sa akin.
sige,
I'll share it
sige.
here.
I'll share it to you here.
So basically, I'll let you see the study later na last year, nagay kami ng community study, may sumagot na 256. Sa 256, 80% nun, sabi nila, newbie. Ang definition namin ng newbie is less than 1 year of experience. Type 100, if ikaw yun, less than 1 year of experience. O wala pang experience. Sabi nila, when they try using shadow, 83% who actually are profitable. So this is also ito naman yung kay Coach Lloyd, how he uses his shadow.
Alright.
Go ahead, Coach Lloyd.
Ayan, sige. What you're seeing right here is the copy trading na hinahandle ko. Alright, we have, correct me if I'm wrong, more than almost 30 million pesos or 40 million, 30
Yeah.
to 40
30 to 40.
Yeah, we're climbing at 40 million pesos na minamanage na funds through Financial
Copy
Freedom
trading.
Fund. Yun yung pangalan ng copy trading natin. The strategy I'm using here is called shadow technique. Alright, pero if you can scroll down, Coach John, to the monthly na breakdown, please scroll down. Yan. So, if you notice, yan. So, if you notice, sa 2026, early parts of 2026, alam niyo naman po, nagkagera, naggulo si Trump and everything. So, the profits is very low. Yung nakikita nyo numbers dyan is watered down kasi yung I have to manage funds. So, I have to make it very, very safe as much as I can. So, naka-half po yung risk niyan to the normal trading strategy. So, how do you interpret that on your strategy if ever we're using the same strategy? You just double this numbers right here. And yun yung makikita nyo. So, 2026, medyo mababa pa tayo. Pinakamalaki natin is March, which is at 4%. So, if you double that, you would have earned 8% in a month. 2025, Coach John, please click on 2025. 2025 is a much more peaceful year. Hindi naman gaanong peaceful kasi yung trade wars, if maalala nyo, magulo pa rin siya. But, kahit magulo po ang world markets with Donald Trump, what he's doing and everything, we're able to close every month in positive with this strategy. Again, the significance here is the numbers po na nakikita nyo po dito on your end. It should be doubled if ever you trade the same way that I do. Kasi akin lang, kinat ko pa and half yung risk. Yung mga nakikita nyo dyan na 4.21%, 7.85%, 4.63%, you can double that on your end. That is the result of the strategy. Right? So, depende po ang profits sa capital nyo. Syempre, because here in trading, we talk about percentage. It doesn't really matter if you tell me, uy, kumita ako ng $1,000 this month, ilang percent ba yun sa capital mo? So, the bigger your capital is, the better. So, that's the significance here. Kasi, baka sabihin nyo po, ang liit naman po, 4% lang in a month. That is our average last 2025, 4% in a month. Kasi kung may 100,000 ka, Coach Jan, magkano lang ang 4% na profits in a month? 4,000 pesos
Diba?
lang diba?
Oo.
So, maliit siya tignan. If you had a capital of 1 million, that's 40,000 pesos. Remember, you double this on your end, so 8%. So, sa 100K mo, sa mga 8,000 pesos, isang buwan mo pinagtrabahuan. It doesn't sound that much, but actually, if i-google niyo po ngayon, if you can, Google right now, siguro, let's give them a few seconds, Coach John. Please Google, how much is a good how much does a good forex trader earn in a month? You will know how significant these numbers are. Please post it in the comments. Ano yung makukuha mo na result sa Google? Please again, search for how much does a good trader earn in a month.
Average.
A good
Average.
trader, forex trader to be specific, forex trader earn in a month. Ayan, makikita nyo po yan. Let me know in the comments how much ba ang returns ng magaling na trader sa isang buwan. We'll wait for your comments here.
Yan. At least 2% daw sabi ni Jet.
Yes. Actually,
Oh,
yun
diba?
yan po. Magaling na po ang 2%. Remember, the numbers here, if ever kayo nagtatrade nito, it should be doubled. Kasi very safe akin kasi copy trading to. But the numbers there should be doubled. On the lowest month natin, nakuha pa natin yung magaling na trader na result. Imagine you have 8% August, 7.85%, you double that, 16% in a month. That is more than what a good trader earns
Grabe
actually
si
in a month. So, ganun po ganun po kaganda ang trading strategy natin. Consistently every month, even if magulo ang 2025, 2026, we are still earning every month. That's how the
Yun.
strategy, how good the strategy is. So, and we want to teach it to you.
Nice. Yes,
Yeah.
yes. The shadow technique will depend on how much you understand it. Kaya, ang kagandahan yan is hindi mo muna siya iisipin gaano siya kaganda. Isipin mo muna paano siya gawin.
Yes.
Diba? Yun muna yung gagawin nyo. So, ang gusto namin ipakita sa inyo is of course, the potential. The result kaagad. Diretso tayo sa result. Gaano na ba namin tong katagal ginagawa? So that we can say na hindi to fly-by-night na strategy. Second, how much yung pinakamalaking kapital na tinatrade nito? Because of course, nakakahiya naman kung ititrade mo siya tapos 1 month lang tapos $100 pa. Pinakitaan ka ng 30% gain naman pero ginamit lang niya sa $100. Tapos 3 months lang, di ba? Hindi rin siya sustainable. So, third is pinakita sa inyo ano yung sabi nito ni Darren, ano yung average return na tatagal yung account mo na magaling na professional trader or an average forex trader. And na-check lahat po yon ni Shadow Technique. So first, napag-usapan po natin guys how easy it is, mangungopya ka lang. Second, napag-usapan natin the potential. Dalawang result na pinakita sa inyo kay Coach Lloyd and even mine and the potential of that. How we good it is na strategy. Now let's go back to your story kayo guys, no? How to start it. So we don't want you to be overwhelmed, okay? Ang goal mo lang sa forex sa shadow technique is to learn the basic on how to learn pindot the platform. Basically yun lang. Okay, wag ka munang magmadali. The reason kasi na we want you to have the right mindset is usually mga nakikilala talaga namin, nakatingin kagad doon sa pinag-usapang million kanina. Gusto kagad nila yung $2,000 last month na kinita.
Yeah, tama.
Ganon kabilis, di ba? Dadating ka doon. Kasi yung capital noon, syempre, example, yung kay Coach Lod, the capital there is 10 million, no? 2% of that, 3% of that, malaki, di ba? Yung sa akin is,
Tama.
that's around, magkano ba yung capital ko doon? 40K USD, 35 USD. So that's roughly almost 2 million pesos. Di ba? O that's around 2 point something or 3% return last month.
Yes.
No? 3% lang. Pero I'm handling almost on that specific account, 2 million. Worth it na sa akin yun. Pero dumating ako dun sa time na yun kasi yung goal ko dun, hindi naman ako kagad nakatingin sa profits.
Yes.
Now, pag na-master mo na how to know the platform works, after a month, ang goal mo na is gusto ko itong palakihin pero ayoko masunog. 'Di ba? Wag mo muna yung like 500, oy, pwede na yan. 500, 100% return dapat ang gusto ko. 'Di ba? So, ibig sabihin ko 100% return, 1,200% in a year, tapos sasabihin mo sa akin 6 year. 'Di ba? Walang ganun.
Parang ganon, oo.
100%, 50% per month, tapos 12 months at 50%, 600% times 5 years, 1,000% in 5 years, tuloy-tuloy. Is that even realistic? No. Your goal is to put a bigger capital and you protect it. But if darating ka doon, if natutunan mo yung basic. Kasi binigyan ka na namin ng signal eh. Alam mo na kung anong gagawin. I-execute mo na lang na maayos. Pag mo na tumingin sa profits. That's how you will arrive to our place right now.
Yes.
Okay? Type 200 in the chat box. Type 500 in the chat box. Is clear po tayo doon.
Yeah.
Now,
But
if
does it
nasi-
mean, Coach Jan, na, so yung mga nakikita ko na mga trades ninyo na kumikita kayo ng 300,000 in one trade, is that's not realistic or realistic? Or yun yung gusto nyo lagi? Hindi po ibig sabihin na ganun lagi ang trades. There
Yes.
will be setups na magandang i-trade. Sayang naman if maliit lang i-trade mo. Those are what we call haymaker punches, or yun yung pang knockout punch namin. Because there will be
Yeah.
setups na like that na sobrang ganda ng trade kaya linalagyan namin ng malalaking trade para malaki rin
Oo.
ang kita. It's not on this account because this account is for long term. Yung mga knockout punches po na yon, just in case tumama, malaki na kasi ang chances na tumama, we risk on that. But if ever magkamali kami doon, malaki rin po ang talo namin. So please have the right mindset na yes, meron pong mga trades na malakihan ang kita. But hindi po palagian yan. Meron yan, isa sa isang buwan, dalawa, minsan wala. So paminsan-minsan lang yun. That is a
Yeah.
different kind of trade. Pero makikita nyo po yun pag magaling na po kayo. Hindi po palagi yun na ganun.
Yes. So just to clarify, kasi we don't want you to be hyped on the potential. Maglalagay ka ng $500 o 1,000. Gusto mo kagad maabot yung nakikita mong profits on social media. We want you also to be realistic on your skill, on your capital. But again, may potential. Kaya mo siyang gawin
Yes.
using this system. Kasi we believe on the system, we believe in you na kaya mo siya. Ang goal mo lang is to increase your learning, you will also increase your earning. To increase the earning, you need to also increase your learning.
Right.
Diba? Without the learning, di mo maintindihan yung basic. Yun lang yung, again, definitely, if you join after this session, your goal lang is to learn the basic. Ano yung basic, Coach Jan? O, diretso na tayo dun. How to close and open trades. Hindi ganun lang kadali.
Yes.
Madali lang po ba? Type 1,000 on the chat box. Ang stage 1 mo sa shadow technique is how to open and close trades. Di ba, Coach Lod? Baka may gusto kayo dagdag.
Yan
Sa
lang muna.
narrative
Yun
na
yung
yun.
sinasabi natin eh. We want you to focus on the execution part of trading. Wag muna dun sa charting and everything else na nakaka-nose bid ben. Hindi natin isasabay kasi mabagal ang progress nyo kapag ganon. So, dun na muna, how to open and close the trade. That's basically when to buy and when to sell. Anong mga pipindutin when you open the trade. So,
Uy, Coach Lloyd, sagutin ko to.
Yeah, go.
Pwede ba gamitin sa copy trading sa Xnova? Xnova is a binary account and 95% close to sugal. It's not really the market's price. It's controlled by the server of the broker.
Okay.
Kumbaga, example, ang bentahan ng dollar is 60. Sa kanila, minsan 55, 65. So, medyo control din ng presyo. It's 95% close to sugal. So, binary is 95% close to sugal. So, hindi siya trading. Hindi talaga siya trading. Okay? So, ingat kayo dyan. Okay, go. Sige. Go ahead.
Go ahead, okay na.
Yeah.
Continue.
So, basically, nag-clear ba? May tanong ba tayo dito before we move forward? Yan, natin, ay, clear sa kanila, oh. Alright, so stage 2 mo, pag matuto ka na paano pumindot ng platform, di ba, marunong ka na, oy, confident na ako, paano ngayon, ang tawag mo dyan, to use the platform, Coach Lloyd, di ba?
Alright.
O, ngayon, pag-aaralan mo na, sige, tingnan mo ba, kamusta yung ginagawa mo? Ano ba ibig sabihin ng drawdown? Ba't may drawdown? Ba't minsan di ka agad nagtitipi? O, doon ka na magtatanong. Pero ang
Yes.
goal mo, alamin mo muna paano siya mag-work. From there, maiina yung curiosity mo. Paano ko pa to gagalingan more? Paano mo to i-adjust more? Right? And second, in trading, there are possible losses. Kaya kailangan alam mo paano mo siya iingatan yung capital mo. Kasi trading is not a scam. Scam is sure win. Trading is playing probabilities. So may possible na may losses ka pa din, pero you can prevent it by doing it right. Alright? Paano? Using lot size. Okay? Using lot size. So, ang ginawa kasi natin sa Shadow is we updated the lot size, meaning yung gaano kalaking volume ang ibabato mo based sa experience mo. Kasi ang goal mo muna, mag-aral, di ba? Habang kumikita ka, yun yung goal, di ba? Goal ka, kumikita ka. So, experience lang muna yung goal mo on your first month pag pumasok ka na, no? And then, we made your lot size so impossible, siguro 99%, 99.9% na yung initial na capital lalagay mo is 99.9% na less chance na masunog. Ganun ka. Parang anyway, kasi ginawa natin dito, Coach Lloyd, is naglagay sila $500, di ba?
Yeah.
Tapos, sent account pa sa mga first timer, no?
Mm.
Kasi goal nila, tumindot pa eh. So, we already foresight na pag nagbato sila ng 20 trades plus shadow 30 na hindi never pa nangyari, wala pang 50% na drawdown yung mga first timer. Okay, no? Di ba? So, ganun siya. Ganun namin ituturo sa'yo. Kasi ituturo din namin sa'yo ano yung nangyari sa 10-year study ni Shadow, paano mo siya gagamitin sa current experience? Kasi may iba dyan magaling na kagad marunong ng technical analysis. Iba talaga dyan, di para marunong pumindot. So, ayaw namin kayo magkamali. Kaya ginaided naman talaga namin kayo. And ipapadala namin yung video na yan for free.
Yes.
Okay, for free. Then, pag nag-improve ka na, yung profit mo lumalaki na, lumalaki din yung volume mo na nilalagay. May gusto kayo dagdag dito, Coach Lloyd?
Yeah, actually, wala pa. Ano lang, just to let people understand, meron kasi mga newbies dito. Ano yung drawdown na sinasabi ni Coach John? Sa trading naman kasi, hindi naman ibig sabihin na, di ba, buy low, sell high, karamihan. So, you buy low, and then pag nag-buy ka and umakyat, you sell high. Hindi naman kasi, yung strategy na naman na kasi natin, hindi naman scam yan or 100% na panalo. Pag buy natin, pwede pang bumaba yung presyo. So, hindi na nanalo kaagad yung unang buy natin. So, if the prices go down, then you're losing on that trade. Yung loss na yon, kung hindi mo pa i-close yung trade, yun yung drawdown. So, our strategy, nagdo-drawdown po yan. So, part naman sa ituturo namin yan, how we handle drawdowns, how drawdowns are helpful in our trades. Pero yun po yung ibig sabihin ng drawdown. Hindi po kaagad umaakyat yung trades natin. Alright? Hindi tayo manghuhula. Pag buy natin, pwede mong bumaba yan, magne-negative tayo. At pag nag-negative yan, ang tawag dyan is drawdown.
Yan.
Yan.
Yan. So, ito yung sinasabi ni Coach Lloyd, iyan ko lang na, example, nakita mo sa demo account, meron na doon, makikita mo dyan, ang itsura niyan sa chart, hindi ka pa marunong magbasa ng chart, di ba? It's like you're getting the bottom of the market if you're buying low. Kasi yung low na yon, once you're buying, kasi sinusunod mo yung robot na ibibigay namin sa inyo, is back up by a trader, back up by statistics, and back up by data na 10 years and 10 years more. So yung probability mo, sinasabi namin from the beginning, sa paggaya-gaya lang, may edge ka na kagad. Kasi yung ginagaya mo is back up again by statistics, by data, and a trader behind it.
Yes.
So, at least platform na lang isipin mo, hindi mo na isipin from there on.
Hindi ka na magdadalawang isip sa trade. Uy, nag-buy dito. Bakit ba ako magba-buy dito? hindi ka matatakot because again, if you watch, mapapanood mo naman yung video nito, yung data natin na yan, pinagdaanan na yan ng sobrang habang panahon na okay itong trade na ito and then kami pa mismo ang nagte-trade. So, yung bias mo, hindi ka matatakot nga papasukin ko ba to o hindi. Signal yan, pasukin mo, just follow instructions and then you just press on what you need to learn to open a trade and buy it. So, wala kang takot. May bias ka na.
Yan. So basically, yun yung makikita mo sa shadow technique. And what's great about it, Coach Lloyd, is when you start your shadow technique journey, example, nag-request ka na. So, turo ko muna ko siya before we answer
Yeah,
question.
go ahead.
So, we're at the last part of this webinar. So, then we will proceed to Q&A. And we begin ka namin ng course. So, may course yan. Example, may bayad ba to? Libre po. Okay, libre po. Papakita namin sa inyo ano yung background ni Shadow. Ituturo namin sa inyo how you can access it. Tuturo din namin sa inyo how to use it. Okay, how to use it. Yan. On a video. Ano yung mga research behind. Ituturo din namin sa inyo paano mo paprotektahan yung capital mo. Tuturo din namin sa inyo paano mo ina-navigate yung Shadow account mo. So from there on, itatry mo na siya, at least meron ka ng background. Tapos, from there on, makakapasok ka pa sa chat group na you can ask questions. You can ask questions. So, at least, una, libre yung course. Ang needed mo na lang dito is maglalagay ka lang ng capital mo. Capital mo na isa-start. Kami na bahala mag-guide sa'yo. Okay? Kami na bahala mag-guide sa'yo through the Traders PH app. Okay, through the Traders PH app. So your goal lang is go to the Traders PH app, go to home button. You request shadow technique here. Yan. And then you select a broker. What broker are you using? May 3 broker dito na you can start. And then the required capital is $500. And then you request access. Okay? Ang suggestion po namin is you start using it on a Cent account. Okay, Cent account. And then use a MT5 platform para mas madali. You can use MT4 but we suggest you moving to MT5. So pag may account ka na, may fund na, tapos may MT5 account ka na, if wala pa, tuturuan ka rin ng app paano siya. So example, wala pa, pili ka ng broker, yan, tuturo sa'yo, teach me how to register, nandyan din yan. And then if you already have, just put your broker, anong broker yung gusto mo, example, Vantage or DoPrime. Then put your MT5 number, then the capital, then that's it. Tapos within the app, you can now request. Okay, magkakaroon ka na ng request. Magre-request ako, Coach Lloyd. Pakita ko lang sa
Yeah,
kanya.
go ahead.
Yan. So I'm not member community daw. Sa dami siguro ng account ko. So pag request ka na, just go back to home. And then, makikita mo may pending request ka doon sa shadow technique mo.
Yeah.
Okay, dito. Pupunta ka dito, click mo yan, shadow technique mo. Pag na-approve ka na, we will email you the next step. You can also see it here. And then, you can ask the community also for follow-up. Or you can open a support if may hindi ka clear dyan. And then, every Thursday, may webinar din tayo about it. Every Thursday, meron tayong webinar about the shadow, how to use it, what is it for, a live webinar, you can start doing it. So, ang kailangan mo lang talagang simulan is click the link on the comment section, pasok ka dito, and then just fund. That's the rest, we will guide you all the way. We will guide you all the way. We will give you all the videos, we will give you a free course to really understand it and trade with us. Diba? Pwede ba yun? Maganda yun? Maganda idea ba yun? Trade with us. Cool?
Yeah.
Alright. Sige, Coach Lloyd.
Copy us na, bale. Copy us. So, mangyayari niyan is, kokodigo. Kami na po yung magte-trade. Tapos susundin nyo na lang po kami. Ganun po yung trading. Ang ganda ng comment dito, Coach John. Sabi ni Karen, baka libre lang po sa simula, tapos may bayad sa future. Alright. So, to answer that po, this strategy has been free for how many years po already?
Wow, totoo.
So, we have no plans na bayaran nyo ito in the future. Don't worry about Kasi ang susunod naman na tanong dito is, paano po ikikita kung libre lang ito? Yung iba nga nagpapabayad para magturo diba? Tapos tayo sa atin libre lang. Don't worry about that.
Nag-up
That's the
pa.
reason why may mga brokers dyan na makikita ninyo na partners namin. Sila na po bahala magbayad para sa inyo. On your end, wala na pa kayong babayaran. May kapital lang. So, one question, possible question is, libre, bakit may $500 na kapital? Siyempre, kailangan nyo po mag-trade, 'di ba? So, doon na lang tayo sa brokers na tumutulong sa atin para mabigay namin ito ng libre. So, we just fund the account. Ano ba ita-trade mo kung wala namang kapital? Kung kapital namin ang gagamitin mo, sa amin mapupunta yung profits, 'di ba? So, sa trading kasi, you have to put skin in the game. Meaning, kailangan nyo pong maglagay ng pera talaga and risk your money. Right? So, yung
Yes.
amin na lang is we're teaching you an easier strategy para at the very least, yung risk of being a newbie, kasi risky na ang trading, mas risky pa yan kung newbie ka pa, tanggalin natin yung risk of being newbie there. Kasi kami na ang tuturo sa iyo ano ibabay, ano yung isa-sell. You just copy our strategy and you will learn in the future. So, kailangan po talaga ng kapital dyan. And it's just going to be $500. Bakit hindi? Pwede po bang $100 lang ang kapital sa strategy no? Bakit $500? Sa trading, again, we want to repeat. Sa trading, it's not perfect. Diba? Pag buy natin, hindi naman ibig sabihin na aakit agad pag buy natin. Bumabagsak po yan at nagdo-drawdown po yan. Okay, so what if nag-drawdown yan and nag-drawdown ng $100, edi wala ka ng kapital, naubos yung kapital mo, nasunog. Wala na, yung strategy natin, kailangan bumawi. Wala ka ng kapital para makabawi. Trading is not perfect. Okay? Pwede namang mag-trade kahit $20, $30. Pero kailangan mo pong maging perfect na trader. Kasi pag nagkamali ka, maliit lang kapital mo, maubos agad yan, hindi ka na makakabawi and you're already out of the game. Okay? So, you can start trading with $100, a healthy start in trading, yung amount, especially sa strategy natin, is $500 para we have room for our errors. Kasi may malaki naman chance kasi na nagkakamali talaga sa trading. So we have enough room for that and we can recover those losses with winning trades on the bottom pa para makuha natin yon. So those are the common questions when it comes to payments and capitalization and bakit $500.
Yan. So basically, that's how easy it is. So easy to start shadow, easy to request shadow. Ang kailangan mo lang is capital mo so that you can earn. It's like opening a business. You cannot earn the business without the capital. Okay, you cannot also earn in trading without your capital. So at least you will not pay us anything. The broker will pay us in your behalf. Then kami na bahala sa'yo to guide you. Now, if you're confident enough, then saka mo na laki ng capital mo. If you're ready, we are still there to guide you. Pag malaki na yung capital mo eventually. Alright? So, aside from that is meron tayong mga strategies na available. May copy trading din. Na example, if you want Coach Lloyd to do the shadowing technique for you, ang minimum capital is 1,000. If you wanna do naman mga copy trading lang na robot like the Izanagi and OddCAD, $500. Okay? And on this platform also, the Traders PH app, is meron tayong bayanihan program. May free one-on-one coaching ka once a year. Here, just ang goal lang nitong coaching nito is anong next for you. Okay?
Yes.
Of course, paunahan ng schedule. So, try to check this out. If may tanong ka, you can open a support ticket or ask the community here. Okay, here. So, from there, lahat ng tools ibibigay namin sa'yo once you're approved and may capital ka na. The course, the Signal account, the chat room with all the leaders, the support, andun lang lahat yan. Even the events. If hindi mo pa rin naintindihan ngayon, you can also join the future events that we have. Meron tayong Thursday, Shadow Thursday, Copy Trading Tuesday. Nandiyan naman si Coach Mark to do that. Alright, so that's so easy. Peasy. Can I have 1,000 on the chat box na nakumbinsi ka ba namin na may potential sa shadow technique, scalable ang shadow technique, bagay sa newbie ang shadow technique, and easy to start shadow technique. Type nyo naman ng 100 on the chat box para para before we go to Q&A. Yan. Alright, so Coach Lloyd, let's go for Q&A.
Yeah, go ahead.
I'll start here on my view. Sir, may OFW. Yan, OFW. Ito si Sir sa OFW. Anong country ka, sir? Baka pwedeng malaman. Um,
Um, yeah. Pero, comment ko lang dyan, as much as possible, use Philippine address po. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng proof of address kung may passport kayo or lisensya. So, when you create an account, let's say for example, kay DoPrime, select Philippines na country. Kasi kung country dyan sa labas, malamang matatax po kayo. So, as much as possible, select Philippine country. Ang challenge lang yan is when you deposit, kailangan ng Philippine na bangko. So, you just use your GCash or online banking. Gamit lang kayo ng VPN for deposit and withdrawals. So, pwede pong ganun na lang. Mas madali po kapag Philippines na address ang gagamitin nyo. No need for proof of address pag ganun. Coach Jan, you can add to that.
yan. Yes, tama. So, actually, yun na yun. Walang ibang sagot dun eh. Okay. Coach, how much initial capital sa Shadow and how much capital for STM? Sige, Shadow is 500. If you wanna do the STM or the Shadow Trade Manager, i-ano ko lang sa mga first time. So, there is a ultimate Shadow technique wherein yung sinasabi ni Tax Cois na STM, the goal of STM is isang pindot ka na lang, si Shadow na bahala manually. Okay? So, ang recommended capital ko for STM, $2,000, $3,000, it's good to start STM. Kaya mo mabawi whatever na meron dyan o subscription there. Pero if hindi ka pa nagsistart sa Shadow, I suggest na ubusin mo na lahat ng free. At improve mo na yung sarili mo siya free muna. Then saka ko commit to STM. Okay? Christopher, Coach Lloyd, ano ko muna bago ko yung mga
Go ahead.
So for those who are watching the page of Coach Lloyd, magtanong na kayo dyan. Sasagutin namin lahat yan. Yung DoPrime po ba can be used in TradingView? Yes, pwede yan. May mga videos si DoPrime about that. You can watch that out. Roger Salvador, can I use my Vantage account? Yes, you can. Okay? If it's not under our community, bibigyan ka ng step how to transfer it so that your Shadow account will be approved under the Traders PH community. So message us on Traders PH or punta ka doon, open a support ticket para bigyan ka namin ng confirmation if sa ibang community mo yung ginawa before. Okay? Thirst, 300 starting, wala pang budget, ayoko mag-loan. Hintayin mo na lang kung may promo kami.
Ipunin mo lang muna. I would recommend ipunin mo lang. Anyways, hindi naman madalian to. Nagmamabilis tayo dito sa trading. Part of the trading naman kasi is your readiness. So, $200 na lang ang ulang mo, brother. So, ipunin mo na lang. While habang nag-iipon ka, you can go to our app and then start with the basics. Marami tayong courses dyan, 30-day, may 30-day course tayo dyan for you to absorb na libre. Start with that habang nag-iipon ka para pagdating ng $200 mo na additional, you get $500 na, you're gonna be ready to start Shadow. Maganda na magsimula kasi alam mo na yung basics. So, habang nag-iipon ka, start with the basics na muna. Mag-aral ka na.
Yan. So, in the app as well, you can sinabi nga ng coach, may Forex 101, may 30-day basics, no? Kung anong fit ba sa lifestyle mo.
Yes.
Ubusin mo na yan habang nag-iipon ka. Alright?
Yeah.
So, coach, all strategies ba ng Traders PH need ba ng MT5 gamitin if gagawa ng bago account to apply sa mga strategies? Not necessarily MT5, but starting 2026, kasi ni-recommend namin to use MT5 because nade-deplete na yung mga MT4 servers. Okay, so kaya that's why we are transitioning to MT5. But we are still approving MT4 request. Okay? As long as hindi mo pa na-request yung MT4 na yun before. So both are there. So sabi nila 1,000, naintindihan naman nilang lahat. 1,100, very nice, no? Last 3 questions, Italy. Italy, okay. O tama, brother, mas better talagang Philippine credentials ka, lalo na if Europe. Madali po ba mga phone ng gamit? Yes. Actually, using the Shadow technique, just use your phone. Pang cellphone talaga siya. Oh. Yan yung literal na kumikita ka bang nakahawa ka sa cellphone.
Hindi mo kasi kailangan mag-chart. Maganda na sa PC kung mag-chart ka. But with Shadow technique, remember, meron nang nag-chart for you, which is yung account namin. Siya na bahala. So, inyo na lang is pagpindot ng buy, and it's easy to buy and sell on the phone. So, it's very applicable on the phone.
Mhm. Yeah. Alright, Coach Lloyd, baka may mga tanong sa'yo.
Ito dito, ayoko sana sagutin to but yeah, you asked this question, brother. Is it possible to use it on a funded account like FTMO? Actually, dito kami kawawa, right? We want to make this free for everyone as much as possible. We are prone to abuse. Hindi namin kayo kontrolado saan nyo gagamitin ito. So, aming request lang namin is to, honest to goodness, for us to be able to continue this, nakita nyo naman gaano kalaki yung app, yung mga guides natin and everything is for free. That costs so much. Pati yung mga coaches natin na nagtuturo ng mga newbies, to help us with that, as much as possible, gamitin nyo po sa brokers na partners natin, because that's how we are able to keep this going and keep our mission of helping more Filipinos reach financial freedom through forex trading with the broker partners that we have. So please use it on the broker partners that we have.
Yes, yes. Alright, so basically, ayun lang. So, my question on my end, paano po ba yung lot size shadow app din ang gagawa? Yes, okay, yes. Roger, part ng course na ipapadala namin sa'yo is the lot size, and then
Yes.
sa tools, andun din yung lot size table based sa experience mo. So, meron tayong lot size table, meron din siya sa course explaining it. And then it will depend on your current experience. Anong ibabato mong lot size, ratio sa capital mo. So ganun ka siya. Ganun siya ka-dynamic. Okay? So just watch that out. The goal is step your first foot in, put the capital request, and then lahat ng needed mo over the years, nalista na namin. So pagpasok mo, sobrang kompleto na. Okay. Ganon. Ayan.
After that, it's your commitment na talaga if you really want to learn how to trade. This is the best way. Magandang foundation po ito sa trading ninyo. Maintindihan nyo po yung lot sizing, yung pips, yung movement ng market, yung pairs, what are these, and everything. This is a very good starting experience for you guys. And then branch out the strategy from that point on, depending sa ano talaga ang gusto nyo na strategy. So hopefully, you commit to this. Why not? Diba? Sisimulan nyo rin lang, ayusin nyo na lang. Huwag yung parang half-hearted. I've seen so many forex traders na nagsisimula. Kahit mayroon na ganito na may kodigo na, ano na kinokopya ng trades natin, it's still half-heartedly done. Pag nagkamali, tumitigil pa rin kasi hindi naman talaga tinutukan para sa kinabukasan nyo po.
Totoo. Lalo na ngayon, pahirap ng pahirap buhay. Kailangan talaga nating magsikap in the most easiest potential. And I believe Shadow is sobrang one of the easiest way to earn money today. Lalo na, no? Kailangan mo lang talaga
There's
aralin.
a very good question there, bro, from Leia. Naka-register ba sa US yung broker natin? Actually, wala pong forex trading.
Makaka-register po ba ang nasa US? Yes and no. So yes is if you select if you have family members in the Philippines, no?
Yeah.
Meaning gagamit ka ng account ng family members mo. Yes again if you have a passport in the Philippines. Okay? Na isa-select mo pag click mo sa broker natin, tapos sabihin mo andon Philippines ka, ayun tatanggapin yun.
Use Philippine address, phone numbers, and everything. Everything should be in Philippines. Wag po US kasi conflict po yun. Wala kasing forex trading na leverage sa US. So this is, our strategy will not be applicable there. In US, kung US settings ang gagamitin nyo. So for our
Correct.
strategy with leverage trading, Philippines is doable. Use Philippine address, IDs, numbers, and Philippine banks. Lahat po should be in Philippines para ganun po, para mag-okay po. You can use a VPN naman, wala naman pong problema. Kung mahirapan po kayo, then look for a partner, maybe a relative, mom, dad, brother, sister, na pangalan nila at ID nila gagamitin. I recommend use your email kasi yung email ang pinaka-importante, andun yung mga passwords and everything and withdrawals. Use your email, use their name and IDs sa kanila po para pwede naman pong sila na mag-deposit and withdrawals ng ganun. Or you can use crypto, wallet mo. So, kahit withdrawal, sa'yo pa rin papunta. Pangalan na lang nila at ID kung wala po kayo ng ID na Pilipinas at banks dyan na Pinoy.
Correct. So Jay Canlas, mga coach, soon to try shadow technique na sa newbie. Aral mo na ng Forex na sa Forex 101 Lesson 9 ng Traders PH.
Nice.
Ayan, pasok lang kayo because if wala ka pa sa Traders PH app, just go here and then may mga courses po tayo na libre
Please
dyan.
share your screen, bro. Pakita mo sa kanila yung courses natin. Yung mga
yes.
libre.
Yeah, if you can see my screen there.
This is a
Yes,
gold
there you
mine, everyone. So, lahat ng mga nanonood,
Yeah,
if hindi nyo pa ito
correct.
napupuntahan, go to
Yeah, correct. So we
Academy.
have ito, Traders PH course. Meron din tayong Master the Basics. Dito tayo. Traders PH Academy is also here. So pasok po kayo dito. May mga courses dyan. So Forex 101, ayan, may 3,000 student na nag-a-apply. Meron din Master the Basics in 30 days. Nandito din yan. And then live na meron tayo. So libre yan. Pasok lang kayo
Right.
dyan. We will guide your first. Sa iba, actually sa iba may bayad yan. 6,000 pesos to 10,000. Dito libre lang.
Yes.
Okay, dito sobrang libre lang talaga. Yun. So, thank you so much, Jay, for learning, no? And Coach Lloyd, baka may mga tanong dyan sa'yo.
Okay naman. All done here on my end.
Yan. There's also a question in YouTube. Okay lang po mag-register kahit wala pang 500 input. Yes, you can register to Traders PH if wala pang 500. Watch all the free videos. Forex 101, Master the Basics of Trading, Cash Course. Ano pa ba dito? Yung mga yon, libre yan lahat. To access the shadow technique, you need your capital. Kasi yun hindi mo rin naman siya matatry kung wala kang capital.
Right.
So, yes, you can access Traders PH app and watch the courses. No, you cannot use the shadow technique. But if may capital ka na, definitely a yes. Ayan. Okay. Barangay clearance in Pastor Kahab. Yun. Alright,
Passport
very
is
good.
Yeah, passport should be good.
Okay, pwede. Just click the broker. Example, you click example, sabihin natin here. Can I show it, Coach Lloyd, para at least
Sure.
turuan ko na din sila mag-register. Okay, register dito. So example, you select a broker. Wait lang, share my screen. Okay. Yan, okay. So example, you select a broker. Kasi kailangan kayo ng broker. Pili ka na ng broker dito. Example, let's start with Do Prime. So explain dito what is a broker, blah, 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 blah. So I'm ready to register Do Prime. Example, Do Prime na lang. And then it will show the affiliate link there. Here you put nationality, Philippines. Okay? Filipino. Country of residence, Philippines. That's it. Okay. Tapos yung number dito, kahit ka mag-anak mo na lang, okay lang yun.
Yeah.
Yun lang yung rule doon. Good to go na. Okay, good to go na for Do Prime.
Yeah.
Okay, so on the KYC, just attach your Philippine passport and barangay clearance. You're good to go. You can use it. Now, the second problem is funding. Usually may mga clients ako sa US, may GCash sila. Okay? Some of them also uses Google Pay. Okay, sa Google Pay kasi naka-attach yung kwansan. So, wag lang sa credit card mo dyan sa US kasi hindi mahirapan ka i-withdraw. Google Pay na mga banks na meron ka sa Philippines. Third is crypto account. So, if may crypto dyan, I'm sure meron sa crypto sa US, you can use that for funding. But most of my clients, they're using GCash. It's everywhere.
Right.
Okay? Alright. Uy, dami nilang tanong. I'm so happy that they're very, very active. Gusto ko to ulitin yung gantong webinar, Coach Lloyd.
Well, assist mo,
Alright.
Miho, sa current broker ko na Vantage.
Ayan. So, just message the super app. Meron ditong tayo message me, or if you're doing it on my page, you can also message Traders PH na chat. Meron din dyan. Or, di ko alam kung saan ka naka-view ngayon. Or open a support ticket. Can I let them see how the support ticket looks like? Here.
Go ahead.
There. Okay? Now, gusto mo naman na naka-post it, punta ka lang dito sa post and engage, or here, the post and engage, or ask a question dito. Just post ask a question there. Bibigyan ka namin ng instructions. Okay? Kung gusto mo naman may kausap, open a support ticket, email us, or message the customer support sa mga pages po namin. So, may magre-reply po dyan. Sometimes ako din nagre-reply. Okay? Ayan, go, go, go. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Sige, go. May mga tanong, Coach Lloyd. Tulungan mo na
Yeah,
lang ako, Coach Lloyd.
minimum capital, fill number po ba need every time mag-register? Paano po mag-fund? Pwede kaya US debit card? GP, total malaking institution po siya. We strongly, hindi po pwede kung Philippines po ang gagamitin ninyo na everything. You can only use Philippine bank accounts, not US accounts there, right? So, Pilipino lang po na bangko ang pwede. Pinaka convenient will be crypto na deposit. So from your JP Morgan, just create a crypto wallet and then just fund it with your JP Morgan. Pwede naman po yun. And then through that crypto wallet, pang deposit. Kung dito sa Pilipinas, if you have a VPN and then you have a Philippine bank account, pwede naman po yun. Or your relatives can do the deposits for you dito sa Pilipinas. Pwede naman po yun. So yun yung mga option
Great.
natin na maganda dyan. Medyo
Ayos.
hassle talaga, medyo hassle talaga if
Lalo
nandyan ka sa US.
pag sa ibang bansa. True, true, true.
Kasi bawal kasi sa US yung leverage na trading So, kinokontrol nila yan.
Yeah. So, if your broker is our broker like Vantage, Do Prime, Go Markets, pwede ka mag-deposit ng crypto using
Yeah.
crypto sa dito. So, madali lang. Alright? So, if you need any support, just email, message the customer support. May 24 hours tayo to customer support. Also, the pages. Meron din yan na mga na routing ng mga nagre-reply. So, yun lang yun. Baka makatulong kami. Okay? Kung method of funding din yung withdrawal, yes, of course. Kung ano yung deposit mo, yun din dapat yung withdrawal. That's how the brokers work. To prevent money laundering.
Yes.
Okay, Coach Lloyd, baka may mga tanong dyan sa comment section sa iyo.
Wala na so far. Si Jaya lang nanonood. Good evening.
Very good, very good. Alright, so ayan. So I hope marami po kaming naituro sa inyo, especially the shadow technique. So first, we talk about how easy it is. Ulitin ko lang, summarize ko lang, Coach Lloyd, no? Then
Yeah.
you just add.
Go.
How easy it is. If you're starting, just click on buy and sell, platform navigation. Yun lang yung kailangan mo matutunan. Very, very easy, 100%. Second, is it profitable, sustainable? Yes, pinakita po namin ni Coach Lloyd sa inyo, all the way from a small account all the way to million account for more than 3 to 4 years. 2022. So 4 years, 5 years, right? We've been doing it. May mga accounts na ganun kalaki. How big is multi-million accounts is the one we're trading. Pwede rin $500. So, ibig sabihin, kumikita. Now, is it newbie friendly? We also show you that majority who uses the shadow technique are 83% newbies. In fact, last year, we posted a survey that majority of our members, 80% are newbies, which is less than 1 year of experience, just like you. And they're posting very profitable profits based on the survey. 83% are profitable based on survey namin. So we have those evidence. We are gonna post it also inside Traders PH para makita nyo talaga yung result.
Yes.
And last but not the least is how easy it is to register. Traders PH app is there with all the support you need. Nandyan na lahat. The course, the guide, very, very easy para sa taong busy as well.
Yes,
All right.
definitely.
So, ito, Coach Lloyd, ayan, probably you can help me read this out.
Yeah. Sa mga newbies or bago sa Traders PH, napakaganda ng community na to at napaka-solid. $500 ko sa US OddCAD solo copy trading. Halos nakalimutan ko na. Kumita na pala $30 na yun na walang ginagawa. Congratulations, brother. Yan. $30 is 10, 20, 30,
2,000 pesos.
Yeah, mga 6% na profits ka agad.
Oh, wow.
From your $500 lang. Yeah, 'di ba? So, galing. Congratulations. Pero dyan kami nagkakapit dyan, kung walang shadow, dyan, yun yung signals dyan. Yung
Tsaka kami kaming kakopy.
yun na rin yung signal namin actually. So, if you wanna learn in the future also tax coins, yung trades dyan, especially pag nag-level 4 yan, level 5, if you're already familiar with shadow, tine-trade na rin namin yan on our manual trading. Right? It's just na
Yes,
conservative lang kasi yan dyan.
Nakakatawa nga yun.
So,
Alright, so sakto-sakto, isang oras na tayo, Coach Lloyd. Napakasaya. Coach Lloyd, before we go, you have any messages to the people who in your stream or here in the stream of Traders PH or
Yeah,
in my stream as well?
ano pa bang pwede kong sabihin sa inyo guys? Everything is here. Uh, this is basically spoon feeding you our strategy already. Right? Kami dati walang nagbibigay sa amin ng ganito na guidance. Kailangan namin mga sa dilim para matutunan paano mag-trade. Sa inyo po, this is a very big opportunity for you guys. And this has been a life-changing opportunity for us ni Coach John. I was able to retire at the age of 35 because of trading. So sobrang napakaganda ng opportunity nito. Sa inyo na lang po is these are the things that I cannot control. Inyo na lang po is the commitment and go all in this year. Hindi sa pera, but onto learning and putting effort in this life-changing strategy. So, we've already proven it na during pandemic, mga gera, during crisis, forex trading is still there. So, this career is safe from crisis. So, ito po yung sagot sa crisis talaga na negosyo or trabaho. So, hopefully, we can see you in the community. Coach John.
Yan. All right. So basically, everything na pinag-usapan dito is a gold mine. The question is, you will receive it. I mean, will you receive it? Yun yung tanong dito. So yung hindi mo appreciate yung isang value kung hindi mo siya tatanggapin, hindi mo siya susubukan. So that being said, nasa sayo pa din yung desisyon na yun. And nagbago yung buhay namin dito. We've been trading with this one, even my personal expenses in the house, or even my wants is coming from shadow and copy trading. So if nagbago yung buhay namin, why not yours, right?
Right.
From there, the potential of trading is massive. You just need to learn and start somewhere, which is, I believe, shadow technique is the way to go. So hindi ka yayaman, of course, on your $500 at the onset, pero that's the start.
Yes.
That's the start. So again, will you receive that gold mine? I mean, gold na bibigay namin sa inyo. Alright, on this strategy. Na libre pa. Na libre
Yes.
pa.
Alright,
so
ayan yung pinakagrabe, libre no.
Correct.
The time that we started this one, kung gusto mong kumuha ng ganito na course, sobrang mahal, 300,000. Tapos hindi pa proven yung strategy. Ito, proven strategy, transparency wise, madali lang kasi sabihin ng isang trader na nagbebenta ng kurso na maganda yung strategy nila, pero wala pong transparency, wala pong nagpapakita ng trade sa kanila. On our end po, itong shadow technique na ginagamit ko, pinapaka-copy trade pa nga natin. Meaning, pag nagpa-copy trade ka, everyone can see your trades. It's in public. Transparency wise, it's already here, andyan na po, and it's for free. So sobrang I can't say anything more na sobrang ganda nito. I don't want to be biased, but yeah, with our experience talaga, it's a very big blessing on your end. Sana nga may ganito na nung nagsisimula pa lang tayo, Coach Jan, di ba? So, but anyways, this is it. Hopefully, I am sure that this will change your life. It's just that the ball is on your court. Kayo po ang magpapatotoo po niyan actually. So, hopefully we'll see you in the community again.